Hey there everybody, welcome to our channel. So we are living in Northern Ontario. So Northern Ontario last couple of weeks is being very cold. So we are living right now, currently it's like at -20, feel like sometime -25, 35. It's not as cold as Calgary, but it is very cold. And behind me, it's one of the lake is completely frozen ice, rock solid ice. So I'm just gonna change my camera angle so that you can get to see. Look at that. Let's gonna take a little walk. So that is a lime house, small little lime house. And if you like, you see this all there, everything is frozen into ice, and the whole big one is basically a lake. It is a lake. So look at that. This is during summer, where people park their boat. And yeah, it's quite deep now, but I guess I'm gonna go. So yes, a lot of snow. Basically, look at that. Hey, so it's just mind-blowing. It's everywhere white and white and white. It's just pure white snow. It's fun. It's a different environment. So cause we get to enjoy like a 4 different season and in Ontario. So winter lasts long, and the rest are also very beautiful. But you get to go outside. You have to go outside of your home to come to this nature in order to enjoy this moment, right? So it's again, we are on a different lake. It's called Hilton Beach. So this place, look at behind me, is all boats parked on top. So during summer, a lot of people normally come from Toronto down south to come here and enjoy this moment and enjoy this place, right? And yeah, look at all the boats and everything.